Obsessed with this game, but there is one problem. I was playing this game today and yesterday, and Nyan cat cussed. I'm not tripping. Whenever you hit the dog, he says, okay, I'm gonna say the word. This is what he says. Guys, I tried to take a screenshot. It was too slow. See, watch. See, as you can see, here's a picture of Nyan, and that was like a second after Nyan cat said, damn dog. I swear. I promise you guys. Okay, I'm gonna do this to show that, because I want to live. I swear on my life that Nyan cat cussed. You guys probably believe me. There are some people that don't, but Nyan cat cussed, and I swear. I swear. See, let's see if he does it. Let's see. Let's just see. Super Nyan. But I'm overly obsessed with this game. This should be a creepy thumbnail thing. There was a dog. I should have hit it. Because every time you hit the dog, he cusses. I swear. Why would I lie to my fans? Probably just get views, but no. Not like all 2 kids who saying there's paranormal activity in their house and clowns, but I actually believe that. Not paranormal activity, like ghost hunting. May's right next to me. Okay. I almost hit a bomb. Sorry if this video is boring. Hey, that was a glitch. The cat was just sorry. God dang it, dog, just come! A little bit too rough there, eh? Okay, I was about to die. I hope they sponsor me. Please sponsor me. I need the money. I live in a poor family where I have an iPhone. We're not poor. I'm just lying. God, Nyan was about to be big. Please sponsor me, though. I'm just a poor child with nothing. Please do not watch my Christmas haul. Come on, where's the dog? I hope they sponsor me. Please sponsor me. I need the money. I live in a poor family where I have an iPhone. We're not poor. I'm just lying. God, Nyan was about to be big. Please sponsor me, though. I'm just a poor child with nothing. Please do not watch my Christmas haul.
Damn, sorry, watch my profanity.
I know that freaking Nyan cat says the D word. Damn. Sorry. Watch my profanity. I know he does. And if you guys can go download that app yourself to figure out, because this video's gonna be like 10 minutes long. Who knows? Go download Nyan cat. This face is irresistible. It's frozen. Watch him fall and die.
Water, 'cause my lips are chapped and faded.